Hello everyone, I'm Arya. Welcome to Mini Elephant. If you are looking for construction equipment or garden machines, stay with us. Today, we are going to review the Mini Elephant 16 Mini Excavator. First, let's take a look at the machine. It uses heavy-duty rubber tracks. They are strong, durable, and have good grip on different kinds of ground. A bulldozer can not only push soil, but also stabilize the machine during operation. Ensure safe construction of machines. The machine uses a pilot hydraulic control system. It is easy to operate, smooth, and accurate. It is powered by a famous brand engine with strong power and good cooling performance, so it can work continuously for a long time. For a more comfortable working experience, you can also choose a closed cab and an air conditioner. This helps you work comfortably, even on hot summer days. Now, let's start the machine. First, turn on the emergency power switch. Then increase the throttle. Finally, turn the key to start the engine. Let's look at the travel controls. These two levers control the machine's movement. Push both levers forward to move forward. Pull both levers back to move backward. Push only one lever to turn left or right. Let's look at the digging controls. The left joystick controls the arm and the machine swing. The right joystick controls the boom and the bucket. Let's see the machine at work. As you can see, the machine works smoothly, responds quickly, and is easy to control. It can easily handle many different digging jobs. The machine can also use many different attachments for different kinds of work. For example, you can install a grapple, a hydraulic breaker, an auger, or a trenching bucket. We are a professional construction machinery manufacturer from China. We have our own factory, production team, quality inspection team, and after-sales service team. This helps us control product quality, production time, and delivery more efficiently. Our machines are spread all over the world. It has been exported to countries such as the United Kingdom, the United States, France, and Russia. Our main products include mini excavators, remote control crawler mowers, skid steer loaders, and many kinds of attachments. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we will review the mini elephant lawn mower. I'm Maria. See you next time.